Hi, I am Jack Henrik, and in this video I am going to describe you about Ayurvedic natural treatment for type 2 diabetes, Diabec herbal anti-diabetic pills. Diabetes mellitus is commonly known as diabetes. It is the increase of normal glucose level of the body. Mainly, there are two different types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. The people all over the world are getting more and more prone to be glucosuria, particularly type 2. To challenge this fatal condition, the natural treatment for type 2 diabetes has been improving day by day. What is type 2 diabetes? In the type 2 glucosuria, the pancreas does not produce sufficient quantities of insulin for the body. Type 2 diabetes is very common type of glucosuria. About 85% to 90% people got affected with glucosuria all over the world. Usually, the type 2 diabetes, but the younger adults, even the children, also are getting affected by it, affect the older adults. However, do not worry, there is natural treatment for type 2 diabetes, which gives good result in curing this disease. There are many herbal products available in the market, but all are not as effective as Diabec herbal anti-glucosuria pills, Diabec capsules. The causes of type 2 diabetes. There are various causes of why the people are getting affected with type 2 glucosuria. No single cause is responsible for it. Every case is needed to be observed very closely, taking the personal history of the patient. After proper investigation, if any risk factor is found, then it should be treated thoroughly. The important things that are to be noted concerning the glucosuria are the family history of the patient, the steadiness of blood pressure, the trend of weight gaining or losing, the history of living in Strait Island, if any, the history of staying for a long period, for a long time in the Pacific Island, if any, the background of giving birth of a child of above 4.5 kilograms for a woman, the history of being affected with gestational glucosuria during pregnancy, history of having polycystic ovarian syndrome, symptoms of type 2 diabetes. The type 2 glucosuria show number of symptoms. However, unfortunately, the symptoms are often confused either with other diseases or with old age sickness for their similarities of symptoms. The symptoms of these type of glucosuria are excessive thirst, passing more and frequent urine, skin infection, itching, headaches, mood swings, leg cramps, feeling lethargic and tired, feeling hungry, often gaining weight, slow healing of any kind of injury or sore, unclear vision. Prevention of type 2 diabetes. It is said that the type 2 diabetes can be prevented up to 60%. Lifestyle plays a great role in preventing it. There is natural treatment for type 2 glucosuria, which is helpful also in delaying or preventing type 2 glucosuria. It is very much helpful for the patients if they take regular physical activity, take necessary food, maintain healthy weight, manage blood pressure, manage cholesterol levels, stop habit of smoking. Strong warning: it is very important to diagnose glucosuria as soon as possible. However, diabetes cannot be cured, but treatment helps to keep the level of glucose of blood in normal range. If not taken care of and controlled in time, the symptoms can be turned into dangerous form later. It is very urgent for any glucosuria to see with a health expert soon after he feels any symptoms. Treating oneself with glucosuria herbal anti-glucosuria pills, Diabec capsules, is safe, as it is without any side effect. If you are the one who is looking for natural treatment for type 2 glucosuria, it is definitely glucosuria herbal anti-glucosuria pills, Diabec capsules, that simply work wonder. Buy Diabec capsules worldwide. web.darmanis.com